Hi friends, welcome back to Featherswood. Today I'll be showing you one of the cage maker videos who is in Bangalore, who will be doing cages as per your requirements. So guys, you can see here there are a lot of cages. So as per the orders what they get, they'll be making the cages, and the tariff will be accordingly. So you can order for any type of cages, and you can keep the birds as per your requirements. So when compared to China cages, this will be it will be like much durable, and you'll be the lifespan of this will be more, and the trays what they give is also it will be of a metal mixed one, and it will not be a plastic trays. And let's know more about the cages, what is available and what will be their tariff, and everything through the manufacturer itself. So let's speak with him and let's know more about it. Sir, namaste.
Namaskar, sir.
Sir, what type of mesh you will be using for cages, sir?
This is manufactured in Jaipur. Okay. It's a non-rustable mesh. Okay. We will give almost 5 years guarantee. Okay. It won't get rusted. Okay. Another plus point is the cubes are perfectly half inch by half inch. We don't get this kind of mesh in local. Okay. This is the best material available in market.
Okay. So what will be the lifespan of this cage, sir? If for example, if someone is approaching you for orders.
So we will give 5 years guarantee.
5 years guarantee.
If anything happens to this cage, any rust happens, we will retain back at the same amount.
Okay. So what is this tray, sir? What is this material of this tray?
This material also GI, but this is rustable.
Okay.
This is normally it's 20 GSM. This is almost 100 GSM. The difference is that's all.
Okay. So what type of gauges you have in this mesh?
We have 16 gauge, 17 gauge, 14 gauge.
Okay. So based on the gauges, the tariff will be fixed. Right?
Yes, as per the rate and size, as per the measurement and size, tariff will be fixed.
Okay. Cages can be made in any sizes as per customer requirement, right?
Yes. Any type, any size, any kind of any type of doors you want, we will make it and give.
Okay. Sir, this is something like a very unique thing which I have not seen.
No, we have just started to experiment on this. We are not yet completely made it. Okay. Let's see, in future we will make and put in the market. This is the unique style we are trying. Okay.
So hope to for good. Sliding thing.
Sliding door. Many customers ask for sliding doors. Okay. So let's try. We are trying. This is not yet ready. Okay. But still, we'll make sure that it will come as soon as possible in the market.
Sir, so if someone calls and orders for the cages, so within how many days they
It depends on the quantity.
Depends on
the quantity.
For example, on something like 5 cages or 10 cages, what will be the
If
duration?
you 5 cages, as per the order, I can tell you. Okay. As per the order I get, if we out of a single cages, we'll make in 1 day and give.
Okay.
So for this kind of 4 partitions, we'll make 2 to 3 days.
2 to 3 days. So once again, that will be depending upon the orders what you get previously and what you will get in front.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, apart from cages, what about the accessories, sir?
Accessories we don't give anything. Only the stick we'll provide.
Okay, you provide only stick along with this tray and
tray and stick we'll provide.
Okay.
This kind of stick.
Okay. This kind of stick you will be providing. Yes. Okay. What about the breeding doors, sir? It will be as per the customer requirement, or do you have any fixed model?
Door, breeding door, everything will be customized as per the customer requirement. Okay. Sizes also will get whatever you want. Not more than 4 feet. We can't make more than 4 feet.
Okay. The height, what you are saying, you cannot make it.
Length 4 by 2, but this is the final cage we can make. If we do more than this, the strength will go off. So we don't recommend. Okay. This is the final we'll do.
So the length will be 4.
4. Width will be 2. Okay. Height will be 2.
Okay. Perfect. Sir, this type of cages is suitable for which bird?
This type of cage, big conures, sun conures,
okay.
crimson belly, okay. Big birds.
All big conures
birds.
You can put in
Yes.
Can you put a pair of cockatoos in this?
No, it's not possible.
Not possible because that's a big bird and requires big space. Exactly. So guys, I think you have seen the different sizes and different shapes of doors and everything. So actually what I would like to recommend is, like, instead of investing more on China cages, if you are investing more on this, like, and when it comes to costing also, there will be for sure you will be getting some difference, and as well as the durability will be more. And as Santosh sir was saying, it will be easy for us to clean also, because you hardly see difference between China cage and the mesh cages. What you are saying is, even the tray will be of a metal, and it won't be you don't see any crack or anything. So it all depends on how cleanly you keep. For example, while cleaning or after cleaning, if you put any paper inside it, so the durability of the tray also will be more.
I want to add one more thing. In China cages, the birds will come and sit, will slide.
Okay.
This is the main reasons why the big breeders don't go to China cages.
Okay.
They slide off when they hold the cages. In this, neatly we can grip. In paws will be nicely exercised.
Okay.
That's the best point. Another point is that this one-time investment. If you're investing for big birds, get a good cages, better than China cages.
So what sir is telling, like, if you are investing on a bigger birds, and if you have that sustainability, if you are thinking about sustainability, then this will be a best case to go for. And I'll be giving his contact details, everything in the description box, and also let's ask his contact details from his side itself.
Hello, for order my cages, call 9353840097 and 8296150057. I repeat, 9353840097, 8296150057. Thank you.
So guys, just remember, just for understanding, they are not giving any accessories. They'll be giving the breeding door as per our requirement, whether we want in the left side or a right side. And doors will be there with a latch, and you'll be getting 1 or 2 sticks as per the requirement. If you are going for a bigger cage, for sure you will be getting 2 sticks along with the cage and a tray, cleaning tray. So anything related to bowl, feeding, feeders, everything will be of your own expense, and they won't be supplying all those things. Okay, so this is completely about the mesh cage and what will be coming along with the mesh cage. Okay, so this is about the small topic, guys. Hope this will benefit everyone who is staying in Bangalore. And also, for any bulk orders, they might take certain duration, because this mesh is not that easy to bend and do everything. So so everything is handmade, and there is no machine work here. So manual labor requires, physical labor is what they'll be spending on this. And if you want 1 or 2 kgs, something like a compartment wise, yes, you will be getting a bit sooner than ordering in the bulk. So guys, this is about the small topic about the mesh cages which will be sold in Bangalore, and my intention is to promote our local people than promoting from outside. So even if you are seeing this video, if you are a non-Bangalorean and if you want to take any cages, they will be also helping you in transport also, if you are once again taking in a bulk quantity. So if you want in depth about the pricing part and everything, you can call to their number, and you will be getting all the details. So guys, this is Chetan signing off from Feathersuit. Before I sign off, I am available in many social media platforms. Do follow me, like and support me, so that I can come up with a very unique videos which will be supporting right from birds to accessories. So thank you once again.